Hey, this is Tariq. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world.
Today's tutorial is about filter database. That means filter your wishable data from a huge number of data table. I for this need a data table. So I already taken a data table that have 5 columns: real long, name, gender, occupation, and salary about individual people. Then I filtered my wishable data. For this I press data, then filter. So if I want gender, so if I want male, then click male, or if I want female, then click female. So I want male. For this, click male and then OK. Have filtered the male gender, and then I want only banker of male gender. Then I click banker, then OK. Then I filtered my male banker. So if I want to back my base data table, then I press shift filter, and then I back my table data table. This is the simple process for filter database. Thank you for today's.